enthusiasts.
Ben Eoin is nestled on the shores of Brasdor Lake, in Nova Scotia, surrounded by rolling hills, lush forests, and peaceful waterfronts. The majestic Cape Breton Highlands provide a breathtaking backdrop, with hiking trails and scenic viewpoints to explore. In the warmer months, the landscape comes alive with a mix of deciduous trees and evergreen forests. Thanks to its elevation near the Cape Breton Highlands, Ben Eoin offers incredible panoramic views. The Brasdor Lake, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, wraps around the area, inviting boating and outdoor adventures. The name Ben Eoin comes from Scottish Gaelic, meaning Mount John. Scottish immigrants played a significant role in shaping the cultural heritage of this place. Today, Ben Eoin is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering skiing in winter, hiking trails, and the tranquility of lakeside living. Whether you're here to explore nature or relax by the water, Ben Eoin has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Ben Eoin, Nova Scotia.
watching.